Click on Assembly, type in the file name, uncheck the Use Default Template. We will select millimeters as the unit. Now we'll display the axis and the plane. Click on Datum Plane, select the plane, translate it. You can see in the model tree that a new datum plane has been created. Go to Pattern, and here we're going to select the direction. Select the plane along which you need the pattern to be created. Choose the number of instances and the spacing. As you can see, the datum plane has been patterned along the direction of the selected plane.